Good morning, guys, and Shabbat Shalom. Can you say Shabbat Shalom? Can you say Shabbat Shalom? Can you say adorable baby? Okay, enough of that. Shabbat Shalom, guys. Welcome to another Shabbat vlog. Get it all done. Prep with me for Shabbat. As usual, it's a crazy day in our house. When is it ever not? We have been back from vacation for almost a week now. Let me adjust this. And my oldest son is back at preschool, thankfully having a great time. But my middle son is sick, and goodness, it's just been really hard for him. I know he really wants to go back to school, but we have to wait a few more days till he's fever free. So we got that going on. And just like the whole week has been kind of different than we expected, but that's okay. So he's resting right now, and we're gonna do some Shabbat prep. And I have something really, really exciting that I cannot wait to share with you guys. And it's something that I'm going to be doing for the Jewish holiday of Passover. And I think I'm going to be able to tell you guys all about it next week, like right after you watch this video. Hopefully it will be the next video after that. But in the meantime, I have to kind of set up for Passover in my house right now, which is totally crazy because it's not for another 7 weeks. I don't know exactly. 7 weeks? It's in April. But you know, to like prep everything and share with you guys, I have to like have a Passover setup here. So yeah, so it's kind of actually been fun because I've been thinking about Passover and getting stuff and just getting the table. And I want to show you guys one new thing I got. I don't know if anyone else will be as excited about these as I am, but look at these gorgeous plates. These were Target, of course. I think they were $5. They're salad-sized plates, 7 inches, and they have every pastel color. I wanted them in blue. I ended up getting them in green because they are sold out everywhere. So if you see them at your Target and you want them, get them. I have one more thing to show you. The lovely Peace, Love, and Light shop, who I've worked with in the past, sent me this gorgeous handmade challah cover. It says Shabbat Shalom, and it's really beautiful. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's like all glittery, and that's so pretty. Do you need to eat? I think he needs to eat. So I'm really excited to use that for Shabbat tonight. And speaking of challah, let me show you the craziest thing. I don't think I've ever showed this before, but you can buy frozen challahs. They're by the brand Kinneret. They look like this in the grocery store. They're usually in like the kosher section of the freezer. And you take it out of the box. It looks like this. Give you a little close up. And you leave it out at room temperature. You brush it in water, leave it at room temperature for 5 to 6 hours, and then you bake it. So I just took it out of its box. We'll see how it goes. I remember really liking these when I was little. My mom would get them sometimes, and I did not have time and didn't want to take a sick little boy into the grocery store. So that's what we're doing. And I do have also these gorgeous flowers. I did get them mostly for the Passover like photo shoot I have to do, but also they'll double for Shabbat flowers. So that's what's going on here. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I haven't filmed a Shabbat vlog. Last week we were in LA with my family celebrating Shabbat, same as week before that. And the week before that I was back here, so it's been a while. Huh? You say hi to the people. So that's all. Let's jump in. Shabbat vlog. I need to get it all done. This kitchen is a disaster. This kitchen is a disaster. I gotta do all those dishes. Oh, and I didn't even get to tell you guys what I'm making for dinner. Okay, I'm gonna surprise you. Stay tuned. So this is my life these days. I pretty much wear Zachary around the house, whatever I'm doing. He's just in this phase where he wants to be part of the action, and I get it. I think it's because like he can see more, he's more aware of things. So whereas like a month or so ago, I could just put him in his little swing and he'd happily, you know, sit there while I did the dishes and things like that. Now he's like, you're not putting me down, I want to be part of this. So it definitely makes things a little more challenging, takes a little longer, and limits what I can do. But of course I know this time is short, and soon he'll be crawling and walking all over the place and taking out everything from my cabinets and doing all that stuff. So I'm just trying to enjoy this time while he's at this little stage, even though it can be very hard when I'm trying to get things done, and just kind of savor these moments. On to my flower arranging. I think I have flower arranging in like every Shabbat prep get it done video because I just love it. It for me is the best part of getting ready for Shabbat. I think it just brightens up my home and makes everything feel so special to have a fresh bouquet of flowers. And what I do actually is just put them all together like you're holding a bouquet for a wedding almost, to make sure it's circular and looks good. And that's how I put it in the vase. Okay, so we have got problems today. Again, if it was just a normal Shabbat, obviously this would be fine. Oh, the other problem is this one's ready for a nap. He is done hanging out with Mom. But I only had enough for one photo. And I really wanted 2 for my photos. Do I go back to Trader Joe's? Do I ask my husband to go to Trader Joe's? Okay, put it down. Okay, dilemma solved. So I put all the flowers that I got from Trader Joe's in just one vase. But what I remembered is I actually have these fake flowers that I bought last year for Passover. I don't think I used. They were $10 from Amazon for the whole bunch. And I never figured out how to take them apart. And then my husband was like, use some pliers. So I got some pliers out and now I'm taking them apart. I'm going to add them to the bouquet so that there can be 2 like I wanted. Okay, so now I'm fluffing my roses. A florist sent me a bouquet 2 years ago for Hanukkah and it had instructions for this. So basically you're gonna take your finger and super gently go in between the petals to sort of break them up a little. Then you're gonna roll it in your hands like this and blow. And it basically helps open the rose for any that are haven't bloomed yet. Pretty cool, huh? Anyways, I'm pretty impressed with this combination of fake flowers, real flowers. I think it looks really good. What do you guys think? I think it's pretty good. So now I've got 2 flowers for my table and 1 for Shabbat. We're good to go tonight. Okay, so I'm gonna get started on dinner. For tonight, I thought it'd be really nice and special to have zucchini boats. Have you guys ever had these? You basically take a zucchini, cut it in half, hollow out the inside, and then I'm gonna cook it with ground chicken, and I've got carrots, mushroom, pepper, an onion, garlic, and then to flavor it, I have this soup mix. This is the consomme from Ozem. I use this a lot in my cooking. And then I just have some boiled in the bag rice. You can either mix the rice with the chicken mixture and cook it, or you can do it separate. And I'm using ground chicken or ground turkey, whatever I bought. So let's get started on those. Huh, Zachary? Got all the little boys here watching me cook the dinner. You guys gonna help? Who's gonna help Mom cook the dinner?
Not me. I need someone to get the food in the car.
Okay, let's go do that.
What?
Let's go do that. Hold on, I just want to show them how to. By the way, this is zucchini. It really looks like a cucumber. Oh no, they are cucumbers. Oh. It's a cucumber! I was like, it really looks like a zucchini. It really looks like a cucumber. And what's crazy is I was at Trader Joe's this morning and I almost bought more zucchini. And I was like, no, I have enough. Okay, Zachary. Yeah, I'm tempted to try it in a cucumber just for fun, or I'll try it in a pepper, in a stuffed pepper format. That baby needs a nap. I've already messed up Jared. Don't worry, we're gonna save it, guys. Yeah, let's go to the car and get your food. Okay, I'm back. I have an idea. What I'm gonna do is I'm still gonna hollow out these cucumber, not zucchinis, and still do the mixture. I'm gonna fry it in the pan, and yeah, I'm gonna fry it in the pan, and then I'm gonna serve it in cucumber boats. So it'll kind of be like a sushi almost. Don't worry, guys, it's gonna be fantastic. Don't you worry. So the way I make this recipe is I just chop all the veggies and stir fry them with the ground chicken. You can also then put it in the actual zucchini boat and roast it if you're roasting the zucchini. If you were going to use fake meat or you weren't keeping kosher, you could also put cheese on top, and when you baked it, that would be really good too. So sometimes we'll do it like with rice instead of or quinoa instead of meat, and that's really delicious too. But this one, because I wasn't cooking the cucumber, because it's cucumber and not zucchini, I just cooked the filling and then put it all in after. But super simple, and I think it just looks so pretty and makes it fun, especially if you're hosting. It's really not that much more work to do and really elevates the dinner. I'm cooking. This little guy should hopefully start to fall asleep in a few minutes. I just wanted to show you his dedicated companion. Hi, Rocky. Yeah, always close by.
Put it on our hands.
No, we probably shouldn't put this on our hands.
Why?
Well, because it's soup mixture. This little one's been very helpful, even though he's not feeling good, although putting his hand, no. Putting his hand in the soup mixture is probably not helpful, right? Let's put that away. Okay.
My hand.
Oh no, Corey.
No, I want.
Anyways, all right, nap time, TV time, and maybe Mom will have some coffee time. Crazy. So yeah, chicken is cooking. And I'm totally fine with my cucumber idea. It's gonna be great, guys. Okay, oh, the challah's almost done. Let's check it out. Alexa, how much time's left on the timer?
I put my hand in this.
Oh, it's ready. And now I have to throw that soup out. All right, goodbye. Okay, so here's what we got going. The chicken mix is cooking up. This is my caraway pan, by the way. I love it. And then this is what the challah looks like out of the oven. I don't know if you can tell, but it's smaller than a normal challah. It's slightly smaller than a normal challah, but it tastes delicious and it works. This is another special thing I do each Friday night, and that's just set everything out for the Shabbos blessings. By the way, I had a fake challah there because I needed to take a picture for Instagram. Then I put the real little one in. But just put everything else nicely in the clean kitchen and get everything ready to go for dinner. Okay, Corey, tell us about what you're doing.
I'm racking it.
You're racking it? What are you racking?
Candles.
Candles. Bless you. Let's see. But not at Zachary, please.
Okay. There.
It's that one. Good hit. One more. Nice. So this is Corey's 6th day homesick with us. So we're being really creative with our activities, and he found my box of Shabbat candles and is hitting them with a tennis racket around the room. So, yeah. And what about you, Zachary? What are you up to? Zachary, by the way, let me know if you guys have any advice on this. He will not take more than a 40-minute nap. Like, he can't connect his nap cycles. I don't know how to get him to nap longer for that each time. Like, he naps 4 times a day. Apple juice? Okay. He naps 4 times a day, but only 40 minutes each time. I want him to do longer naps, if that makes sense. So that's what's going on here. So I had these potatoes left over from dinner earlier night this week, and all I did is I had boiled them before, so now I'm just going to roast them with just a little bit of seasoning. Okay, we got some good news. My mother-in-law just brought over some chicken matzo ball soup. I was actually going to make some, just like store-bought. Not store-bought, you know, from a...
Hey, that's nice.
I know, I'm gonna heat up. Just like from a package, you know what I'm talking about, prepared. But she makes really, really delicious soup, and because Corey was sick, she whipped it up. Look how good that looks. So we can have that for dinner too, and I'm gonna give him some right now. Get that healing going. If this doesn't say Friday night, I don't know what does. Why though? Why, Reedy? Why? Does anybody else's dog sit like this? I must know. Tell us, Reedy. Okay, so the chicken is done cooking. I just heated it back up. And now I'm going to spoon it into the zucchini cups. Okay, what a day. Dinner is done. I'm so excited about this. We've got our zucchini boats with the ground chicken and vegetables and twice baked potatoes. Is that what you call them? If they're boiled and then baked. Roasted baked potatoes. Roasted boiled baked potatoes. And then I have some dips this time for challah. Harissa. This is super spicy. And then hummus. So that's kind of like a first course with the challah. And then I love our flowers, mix of fake and real. Shabbat candles, challah, the gorgeous challah cover, the little challah, and that's it. We are all set for Shabbat here. The boys are having their baths and then come down and eat dinner. This one is having a nap on me. Like I mentioned before, he's just not in his usual nap routine, but he's probably also like a little jet lagged and messed up from traveling last week. My other kid's sick. You know how it is, family life, but I'm so excited and thankful to have you here to help me get me through my day and help me celebrate Shabbat. So thanks for being here. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more of my videos, and my big exciting announcement for the holiday of Passover is coming really soon. All right, see you in the next one. Bye. Shabbat Shalom.